This is the funny line. She said that she had
No? They have some because there this is called
Does it feel easier, like more comfortable to stand now?
Yeah.
Like you feel kind of just like more, you have like more energy standing, right? Isn't that weird?
Why?
I don't know. I feel like the energy just gets blocked here when I'm standing for a long time, and I just like I fall all over, and this just kind of like like even that is nice, right above.
yeah, because I so I don't go to me too because I'm in school and then maybe it's not the best place to
Yeah, well, here's the thing, right?
he throws in some no, we don't have
so much about it.
some aspects that I think
Still a lot of look around.
Hot. Very hot.
And they have a tradition of fireworks. And a huge tradition. There, like Semana Santa is beaches, everyday fireworks. I didn't know. They make when are the Koreans? San Jose, 9th of March.
Oh no.
Pero luego seguimos, ¿no?
I think it's
Lo
gonna
más-
drop.
lo de-
I think it'll drop down. It'll go
Una
like
semana.
One week of flowers and 1 week of partying, is that what you just said?
She showed us one stereopub now, Snellbrett.
Ja.
Ja, så där.
Ja.
Det är outdoors.
Yeah. Until or 19th.
It is, right?
Until the 19th. So like end of February.
Yeah.
¿Por qué lo hacen? Ya, pero
In the big where his stomach and that is. It was in a box in there.
You gonna look at it?
Yeah.
You see it? Or?
Set up in the box and put it up.
Right.
pero ¿qué pasa?
I think they have to move it down to the bottom. Because that one they burned was in the very bottom.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Was there something in that one? That was just a test.
Yeah, no, that was just a separate.
Decoration and everything, and then
There's always someone dying.
yeah, but now it's like section.
Yeah, maybe. But the thing is, it's just wood, so they keep burning like maybe, but it doesn't look like it. It looks like the poster of wood.
Afterwards, the pushing is length. So why not? Let's make it yeah. So what are we doing with that? Normally they seem to burn. Yeah, they burn and stuff.